Well, hello, this is Mr. Bertley over here at the Art Room in Chaparral. And if your student has a D or an F, I definitely want them to talk with me. We'll come up with a plan, we'll see what they're missing. But in general, we'll take a look at the Canvas site because I've got the daily schedule down here at the bottom. So if you haven't checked out our page here, you just come on down. And it's divided up by cohort. So we have our in-class, what to expect, at home, what we'll be expecting, cohort A, cohort B, and cohort E for all e-learners, anyone who might be on quarantine. And I link everything straight from this schedule. So I try to make it as straightforward as possible. Students figure out which cohort they're in. In class, we'll be working on 2-point. Then you'll be working on the 2-point perspective house, and this is directly linked. So all they have to do is click on this. Takes you to a tutorial video they'll follow along with, then back in class on Wednesday, and then again another tutorial, and it links directly. All they have to do is click on that. It'll open up the assignment, they watch the video, and then they can turn in photos of their work. Over here is our Bertley Central. That's Friday, and that's a quick draw assignment. So I make some fun videos for them. That's something I enjoy. It's a way for them to kind of get to know a little bit more about me since we're stuck here with a mask on in class. And that quick draw they can spend maybe 15-20 minutes on, and that'll be participation for Friday and a grade. Now, if they are missing any older assignments, which if they have a D or an F, I'm guessing there's probably a few old assignments that they're missing. Their view will look slightly different than mine, but you'll come over here to modules, and now you can pan down and you'll see all of our different assignments. I will be unlocking these assignments through the end of fall break. Now some of them are from the very beginning of the year, some of them are the last few weeks, and I won't be able to give them full credit, but if they go back in, partial credit they'll get should be enough to push them up over that line and back into the path for success. So if you have any questions, you can always email me, but I encourage you to sit down with them, walk them through this, make sure that they understand, and hopefully with a two-pronged approach of at school and at home, and get them back on track. Thank you so much.